My name is Greg Stocks. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in joint replacement surgery. I'm married to a beautiful woman who's a dermatologist here in Houston. We have 4 children. My oldest is a boy, Omar, and then I've got 3 daughters, Hannah, Layla, and Amira. So I grew up here in Houston. I then went off to Duke University in North Carolina. I came back to Houston to Baylor College of Medicine for medical school. After finishing medical school at Baylor, I went out to Lubbock, Texas, to Texas Tech to do my orthopedic residency. After I completed my residency, I was asked to stay on as a faculty member at Texas Tech, but I took a 2-year hiatus while I did some specialized training in hip and knee replacement surgery. I spent probably the best year of my orthopedic education in London, England, working with Michael Freeman, who invented knee replacement surgery, and then the next year in San Diego, California, again studying hip and knee replacement surgery. In 1999, after my wife and I had our second child, we decided to move back to Houston where our family was, and that's when I joined Fondren Orthopedic Group. I love orthopedic surgery. I feel like it's something where I can use my hands as well as my mind to help people. I love the aspect of orthopedics where I can make somebody more functional and have less pain and just get them back to doing the things that they enjoy doing. My main focus is replacing worn out hip and knee joints, which could have been caused by wear and tear over the years, osteoarthritis. They may have a chronic disease like rheumatoid arthritis. They may have had injuries or fractures that have led to arthritis. With hip and knee replacement surgery, I'm able to get those folks back to doing the things that they enjoy and get them out of pain. My passion is helping them get back to the life that they want to live.